In this video we will learn how to approve or reject final settlement in FlowHCM. First of all, we will log in into FlowHCM portal. Here is the dashboard. Click on the Employee Separation module on top navigation bar. So here you can see Employee Separation Approval Form. Here you can see all the filters for selection criteria of approvals. Click on Apply button. In the grid below you can see a list of requests including employee details, final settlement details and exit details of requests. Click on plus icon to view the settlement details. You can either approve or reject any request and enter comments. Then save. System will show a small pop-up indicating that your request is successful.